Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products.
You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. I'm Darlene, this is Emily, and we're going to introduce you to affiliate marketing.
Let's start by breaking down how it works. When you sign up to become part of an affiliate marketing program, you're given a unique URL you can use anytime you promote the company's product.
Then you write an amazing blog post about the product and include a link in the blog to invite your readers to check it out.
Keep in mind, your readers trust you, so make sure you're only promoting products that you believe in and actually use yourself.
Be transparent and let your readers know that you may earn a small commission if they buy through you. And if they choose not to use your link, that's okay too.
People will appreciate your honesty and want to support you. It's also a good idea to put up an affiliate disclaimer page on your site.
So you've written your blog post with a link to the product you're promoting, and one of your readers clicks the link, which takes them to the affiliate partner's site.
A cookie identifying the affiliate is placed on their computer. The cookie ensures that the publisher is credited with the referral sale, even if it occurs days or weeks later.
This is awesome because not everyone will buy right away. If they leave the site and come back a few days later, you'll still earn the commission.
That's right. When a buyer completes the sale, the merchant checks the sales record for a cookie identifying the source of the referral. And if they see a cookie with your affiliate ID, then you're credited for the sale.
How much and when you get paid is determined when you set your agreement with the company or person that you're promoting the product for.
So how do you choose which products to promote? We suggest starting with something that you have used and would feel good about recommending to your readers.
Select a high-quality product or service from a company with a good return policy and great customer service.
You'd hate for your reader to buy the product or service and then have a terrible experience with the company. This would reflect poorly on you and maybe cause your reader to lose faith in your future recommendations.
Once you know what products you want to promote, you need to see if that company has an affiliate program and get signed up. You can use Google or reach out to that company directly.
These are just a few ideas to get you started with affiliate marketing. I'm Emily, that's Darlene. Thanks for watching.